Today we went to the Old Phuket Farm to experience the traditional Thai farm life, starting with how to pan for tin.
We throw away discarded waste like iron on soil, mud, dirt, stones, something like that. And then we throw it down in a chute like this. So what we do first, we pick up the discarded waste, like sand, and then similar to gold panning, we use water. So the British actually nicknamed it black gold. So what they do, they would dry it. After that, they would put it in containers like coconuts, mostly coconut, and they would put a magnet through it.
And I got some tin.
She did better.
Yeah, you can keep doing that.
Check it out, Janine.
Oh, well done, well done. All right.
Got the tin.
Yeah. Next, we walked through the rice field and saw the stages of growth and how to transplant into the fields.
The rice seed will open up and then we would just put it in soil. Okay?
Okay.
So this soil here is mud, okay? And this is 1 week. 1 week.
1 week in a month. That's
1
not
month.
fast. Oh, it's not short.
This is when we move it to the flooded field. To remove this, we would actually pull it just right with the roots and we just put it in the field, which will show you what we're doing.
Okay.
That's my guess.
They're saying the biggest pests for rice are things like rats and birds. So farmers used to put snakes in their fields to help pest control. And they use scarecrows, like that one over there.
This right here, to separate the patty, we would rub it on here.
Okay. Oh, like a
It's like a
washboard.
washboard, yeah. We got to see the milling process that happens after harvest. And the art of separating the shells from the rice.
Can you touch this?
A couple of weeks process this by herself. Patty rice to the factory right away. And we just process everything by ourselves.
Wow, look at that.
So multicolored.
All the
here.
shells are gone.
Actually, you can see some of the patty rice is still left over.
Mhm.
So what they do, they pick it by hand. They'd use your eyes, so you go like this, and you just pick it like this.
Fan behind it. Push all the
Oh, to just blow it away?
blow it away.
Taiwan and Japan, they use the wind.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Is raspberry. It's Thai rice. Okay. What we do, we put the jasmine rice and the black rice together. There we go. This is only found in Thailand. Raspberry.
I gave a bath to Juke, the 19-year-old water buffalo, and learned about how buffalo were used to pull plows and carts.
And weighs 780 kilos.
780 kilos.
And we also use buffaloes for transportation, and also we used to use them for war. We used to ride buffaloes, and then we'd ride them like horses.
Guy on a buffalo.
Or they would carry big carriages with soldiers at the back. They can carry up to 6 people.
Wow.
Hi, mister.
So it actually understands the command. If you say mak, mak, actually comes.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we do, we actually give it a pineapple or fruits that will train it. So when it comes
How
to
to do it.
give it fruit.
Yeah. Treat
Like a dog.
training.
Yeah.
Yep.
Buffalo are a sign of prosperity to the Thai people, and these buffalo are worth a lot. This one estimated at 3 million Thai baht. Our guide showed us the pineapple plantation and explained that they ripen for 18 to 24 months to get that extra sweetness in them.
Yeah.
So it's very sweet, right?
Yeah.
So the pineapple is
They also alternate their rows of crops with rubber trees, as these benefit from the pineapple plant's roots and the effect that they have on the soil. Saying 40% of the world's rubber is from Thailand. probably our shoes.
Yes.
A rubber from Thailand. Bye, buffalo. The rubber industry in Thailand is huge. Rubber is tapped from the tree, like this.
In English is rubber tapping.
Okay, so the white shows.
Yes. So that right there is rubber.
Yeah.
A lot of people didn't know that rubber was white. They thought it was going to be black.
Well, that's why the Michelin Man is white.
It's rubber.
That's actually.
It's so
goes pretty
fast,
quickly.
eh?
Yeah. Didn't have to take much for it to be.
Right now it's pretty cool, so the rubber flows pretty fast.
And then collected and mixed with formic acid, which helps the rubber thicken. So that's the rubber.
Yes. So that's about 1 hour. We let it sit.
Can't touch it?
Yes.
So
Please
you're.
wash your hand, okay?
Oh. First?
After.
Okay. After letting it sit, they roll it out by hand, followed by pressing it in machines.
And then we would flatten it by hand using our palm. And a lot of farmers, they have permanent damage on their hand due to the acid.
So how do you work with it? You come out, you have like a ball of kind of semi-solid rubber from the tree.
Usually that rubber, we would just let it sit in water, okay?
Okay.
And then it would slowly like get softer.
Okay.
So most farmers, we still use something like this. This is to make the rubber into sheets. So factories won't buy the rubber if it's not in a sheet like this, because sometimes some farmers would sell them like a thick slab like this,
Yeah.
and they'll put water inside to make it heavier.
Adjusting it.
So most farmers would make it like this. So the reason why they still use these machines and not electric, because first, electric is expensive. Electric machines are expensive.
Yep.
And second, usually these rubber stations usually would be very, very deep inside the farm where there's no electricity. And third, some farmers just like it this way. You know, they just don't like change.
So why did we move over to this one?
This one has like
Grooves?
texture in it.
And this one, we're adding holes into it because we're making sure that there's no water inside. It makes it more interesting to the factory owner. They're more likely to buy it.
Ah.
And actually, some factories,
yeah.
their standard is to put holes into it. If there's no holes, they won't buy it.
Really?
Yeah.
Quality control station.
This one is a dried one. Here. You can bring it back home.
What?
There you go. Because the small one we only use for demonstration.
Oh, okay.
So usually the big ones we would sell.
Okay.
Now we're doing the south.
We were shown the inside of a wealthy traditional Thai house Sawadika, and got to see how the kitchen operates, the shrines and daily rituals of this household, which is Buddhist. However, some are Muslim and others are Hindu. We saw the bedrooms,
Here's the traditional Thai bedroom. So that's like this. Is when the man is tired, the woman is the leader of the house, and she's in control of the man when the man is tired.
I see that.
So usually the dynamic is the man is always the boss.
The lounging platform for the men, and more.
The woman would not like it gold. Very expensive. It's just collectibles. You can see a Thai Muslim has a flatter roof compared to the house we're in right now. If you look up right now, actually,
Right.
Yeah,
you
the
can see it's
peak.
pointed. Just in Buddhism, we believe that we are kind of connecting to heaven and bringing good luck to the sky.
Finally, we finished the tour with a meal from the farm's restaurant, which was delicious, and the ingredients were sourced from the farm itself. Steve will be proud of us. We're going to try to do some toiling today.
It's like this. Makes this guy chow down.
Oh my gosh. Ready? So today is Songkran, which is Thai New Year's, and it's a water festival.
Water fight festival.
So he's got his water gun in his backpack. I'll show you after. And I've got my makeshift one. And we're going out with a whole bunch of people we met. We did the, I guess, Indonesia rally. And now they're all in Thailand, or some of them anyway. Let's go.
I'm guessing this is our guy.
Songkran promotes community cooperation, unity, and forgiveness. It is viewed as a time to symbolically wash away misfortunes, pray for prosperity for the coming year, reunite with family members, and honor ancestors and older adults. Today, Songkran is all about making a fresh start, with water symbolizing the washing away of the previous year and purification.
Wait for them to exhaust their buckets on a scooter.
Get him, Kevin. Oh, it's cold. It's all calm here at the beach, not like the streets. I think they got me. I think they got you too.
Goggles, smart. Do you guys believe in blue flash or green flash? Green flash?
It's sunset.
Yeah. I think it's a purely like a digital lens camera thing. So it doesn't really have.
These guys are coming out in the really strong current. And they're coming out kind of sideways. I think they've done this before. Coming out on an angle. Fun times. Today is April 19th, and we're kind of getting down to the wire here before our load date. If we haven't mentioned it, I think we have, but if we hadn't, Saoirse is going to get loaded onto a cargo ship and transported to Italy. Our load date is supposed to be the 28th. Whether that will happen or not, don't know, but we're getting ready. And part of what we're doing is figuring out how to store our battens, because as you can see, mainsail is not on, but we do have long battens here. So Kevin, show us where you're going to put a batten.
We already stuck the longest one in there.
Yes.
It's too long to store inside the boat.
Yes.
Ooh, it's so hot.
Yes.
A hot potato.
Do you need help?
I think I'm all right.
So we're sneaking them into the boom.
I need to get to where you're standing.
Sorry. Okay.
Last one.
Let's see if this last guy will fit. Oh, they're so hot in the sun. Okay, it's yours. So this is the Wood Fire Grill restaurant. It's my birthday. So we're gonna have some, did I hear gin and tonic?
I did. I ordered one for you too.
Gin and tonic. And pool and pizza takeaway. Oh, and our friend is here. Hey, kitty cat. We also went out to dinner with the crew and owners of the MC68 for Kevin's birthday. Next time, Saoirse gets loaded onto a cargo ship to begin her trip around Africa and then into the Mediterranean. Thanks for watching.